Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to generate these beautiful videos with just a single click and completely free of charge. You can use these clips anywhere without any issues. The video is divided into two parts. In the first part, we'll create videos from text, and in the second part, you'll see how to turn your still images into dynamic videos. So, make sure not to skip ahead and stick around till the end for some amazing tips and tricks. Let's get started without any further delay. We will accomplish this task with the assistance of Haiper AI, renowned for its remarkable ability to generate videos directly from text. This ability is really amazing. Plus, it lets you turn pictures into cool videos. Take a look at what other people have made. Below you can view some videos created by other users, showcasing the stunning artistry. Making awesome videos is easy. It's like having a special helper that does all the hard work for you. Take a peek at these awesome videos created by people. Right next to each video, you'll find the prompts that were used to bring them to life. These videos show off the amazing things you can do with Haiper AI. So, let's get started and create some amazing art from our text. Before creating videos, we need to sign in with your Google account. Once that's done, we're good to go. We'll start by creating videos from our text, and then we'll move on to turning images into videos. Now, let's write a prompt here so that we can generate a video from it. Up here, you'll see some filters that you can apply to the video. I'm not applying any filters right now. After that, select a seed value and then choose the video duration. Finally, simply click on Create. And here we have our video. Look at how realistic it is, all from just a single prompt. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the clip, you can simply regenerate it again. Plus, you can adjust the settings of your generated clip easily. And don't forget, you can download it with just a click. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now, let's create another clip. How about imagining an anaconda, one of those big snakes, busting a move on the dance floor? It might sound crazy, but with AI, anything is possible. You can generate whatever your mind can think up. That's the power of this AI generation. See, we got our video so fast. Amazing, right? And you can use these filters. It's pretty straightforward. When you select a filter, it automatically generates a prompt based on that filter. Simple, right? But here's the cool part. You can also adjust the filter by changing the prompt. So go ahead, experiment, and see what amazing creations you can come up with. You'll be glad to hear that the image animation filters work even better than text-to-image. It's super easy. Just upload your image and click on Create. Then watch as your image comes to life. Once you've uploaded the image, simply describe what's in it in the prompt box. After that, select the duration of the video and a seed value, just like we did before, and hit Create. Before you know it, your image will start animating right before your eyes. Once it's done, you can view the result in full screen after downloading it. Pretty amazing, huh? The possibilities are endless with this tool. You can animate any still image, especially landscape images like this one. Just remember to write a good prompt. It helps the AI give accurate results. The process is really simple, and with just a single click, we get incredible results. Best of all, we can use these videos anywhere without worrying about copyright issues. Imagine creating Instagram and TikTok pages with these amazing results.